Hi all! I'm Sylvie and I'm the host. Are you working on your business? How is everything going? Are you struggling with something? Let me know, because maybe I can help you. In this video I will guide you through the different functions of Canva and what you need to know to start using Canva. This is the home page or the landing page of canva.com, and you need to sign up. So you need to make an account. I already have one, so I'm going to log in. You can choose between sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with your email. But if you already have an account, just log in and I will see you just in a bit. Okay, so I just logged in and the first screen that you will see is this one. This is kind of an overview. On the left side, I have designs they recommend to you. All your designs that you have made, brand kit, you can make a theme, all your folders and your trash. Canva has a whole lot of different templates that you can use and that you can create and make a change for your business. A brand kit. This is something which the pro users have advantage of. I am not using it, but it's really easy because you can put your logo in it, you can put your brand colors, your brand fonts, and you can make changes to your branding really easy. But I don't have it, you don't need it, you just need to remind yourself what types or what colors you are using for your branding. On the homepage, if you scroll down, you will see different types of designs that you can make. So first you will see designs like I see posters, presentations, Instagram post, video, logo. I think it's based on what you already have designed or what they think you would like to design. If you scroll down, you will see your design, so the things you already have made. Then there's something brand new. These are new templates that I'll see. Then I see Facebook posts, posters, Instagram posts, logos, infographics, flyers, YouTube channel art, Instagram stories, social media, videos, and so on and so on. So what I can do is I can go there on different ways. For example, if you're on the home page, you can search in the big search box, Pinterest pin, and you will see here there already have some types. But if you are scrolling down, you will see that the search bar is going up. And if I clicked on it, you will get very much different templates. And you can choose if you want to try or you want to start from one of them. Or you can make a blank one. Which one do I like? This one. So just click on it and you will see Canva is creating a new tablet for me. With this template. So this is your Canva dashboard, kind of. This is where the magic happens. On the left side you have different options. On the top you have different options and below. If you start here below, we have the zoom rate, so you can fit it to your screen, you can fill your screen. You can set it on a special percentage. You can make it a high resolution like full screen preview. There is a help button, so if you need help for something. On the left side you have templates, so maybe you're not liking this template very much, so you can choose, you can take another one here. Here they are like categorized. So food Pinterest pin, wedding Pinterest pin, birthday Pinterest pin, and then all the others. Then below templates you have pictures, photos. These are stock photography that you can use. In the left corner below you will see that's free. And there are some paid ones. I don't find them at this moment, but there are. I know that there are. So these are a million of pictures that you can use in your designs to your advantage. And the funny thing about pictures is you can just click, drag it, and at this place there already a picture in, so it just snaps, it takes the other place. The next thing that I want to talk to you about are elements. And the elements are really strong things that you can use in your designs. They also categorize it, so you have featured, coronavirus, grids. So the function of grids is photo grid, so it's a grid with places for pictures and you just click and drag to place a picture in it. You have shapes like circle, square, a triangle, and so on. You have frames, so picture frames in different kind of shapes. There are stickers if you would like to make an infographic or some kind. You have charts, you have gradients, lines, and so on. You also have a search bar here. So even if it's not here anything you like, you can search for it. For example, if I want some flowery, I will type flower and I will see different types of flowers. And you also see here in the left corner below, you will see free. This one, for example, this is the paid one. And how do I see it? Because this one says free and here it's like a crown. And the crown means it's a pro one, so you need to pay for it. So you can just click and drag them. And this is a line temp. I can change it from a color. So I can give it a whole different color because a black one doesn't show up at this moment. I can arrange them. You can do everything with them. So stickers are very easy. You also have like shadows. Like for example, this one is a shadow that you can use. It's a big one. You have a lot of things you can do with it, so just play with it. I really love them. For example, the grids, you always have also like featured and then see all, so there are more. So when you see all, you will see the different types of grid they have. And it's also, you can also click it, place it, or just click it and then it will place. So then the next thing is text. So you can choose a heading, a subline, a subheading, or just a little bit of text. But, and that's also a really nice feature of Canva, it's really easy for you to use. They already made some combinations. So for example, this cheers to the new year. You just click it, click and place it, and you will see it's just getting there, and you can just change the words of it. So it's really easy, it's really fast for you. When you need to make something, just watch it, scroll through it, because there are so many options and Canva already have so much in it, so you don't have to think about, or you don't have to worry about too much about which font or what type do I want. Just think about the content and what you're going to say instead of how it's going to look. So you can also place videos. It's also the same as the photos. These are stock videos that you can use. You can also upload your own background. Backgrounds are pictures that are more suitable to backgrounds, like patterns and stuff. You can also just click one color or choose just a color that you want. You can upload your own pictures or your own stuff. You can make some folders. In the free versions not so much, but you can make them and you can save them there. And then more, there are different integrations or music and so on. So it's really nice. You can do so much with Canva. But there's like one place that I didn't share with you, was on top. So if I click on my text, I will see that's here like my font. So which font do I, which font do I want to use? So just click on it and the font will change. If there is a crown next to your, next to the font, that will mean that it's a pro feature, so you cannot use them if you're free. If you're a free user, but there are so many free options, that's no problem. You can change your font size, you can change your colors. In some fonts you can make it bold or you can make it italic. You can align them for like left aligned, center aligned or right aligned. You can make bullet points from them, and you have underlinement, uppercase or lowercase. You can adapt the spacing of the words and the letters. You can just copy the style from one to another. You can make a link from it, you can duplicate, and you can lock them. Not every object you place in your design have all these functions. For example, this sticker, it's only having the color change. You can crop them or you can flip them. But you cannot change the font size, for example, because that's only for fonts and not for stickers. Then you have position. So you can change it to the middle, to the center, left side, bottom side, right, left, and so on. You can copy the style again, transparency, link, lock it, and duplicate, and of course delete. So when you see now a square with like a line and a dashed line, this means that it's grouped. So if you click and drag it, it's grouped together, so you can not change the position of one of them separately. So if you want to do that, you have to ungroup them. Ungroup them, it will mean that you will split them. So now they're grouped, so they are together and they stay together. You can change your text, but you cannot change the position between them. So if you ungroup them, you can change the position between them. Sometimes when you're just struggling and you want to move them separately, but you cannot do it, think about a grouping on the ungrouping. That's a really important one, and you will forget it very often. We have a few more options that I didn't talk about here yet. You will see on the top of your page that you can add a note to your Canva design. You can make a new page, or you can duplicate this page, for example, so you can copy one. So it just copies the whole page and makes a different version of it. It's really easy, for example, when you're making different Pinterest pins and you just want to change the text on it because you want to see what is working best. Just make a copy and change the text. Same one if you just want to change the background. You can delete the page, and you can make, with the plus sign, you can make a new page. And this one, the new page, takes the background from the page that you already have created. So that's a really useful one to know as well. So this was Canva. This was my short introduction on the functions about Canva. I would really love to know, did you already use Canva? Did you know Canva? What are things that you want to make with it? Did you already make it, or what are your strugglings? Because I want to make more tutorials about Canva and what you can make with Canva. So please let me know what you think about it. Thank you. Bye.